Hey guys, welcome back to the Nutty Grains. These pancakes are made with gluten-free oats and are super healthy, light and fluffy at the same time. To make these, take a medium-sized bowl, add 1 cup of gluten-free oatmeal, which is powdered oats, 2 tablespoons of gluten-free corn flour, also known as cornstarch, 1 teaspoon gluten-free baking powder, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt. Whisk them all together. For fluffier pancakes, use an additional half teaspoon of gluten-free baking powder. For sweeter pancakes, use additional 1 tablespoon of sugar. Keep it aside. Now this recipe calls for buttermilk, so we'll take 3/4 cup of warm milk in a glass. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Keep aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the milk will be curdled, so our buttermilk is ready. Transfer to a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of any non-fragrant vegetable oil or melted butter. I'm using canola oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk to combine. Once combined, add the dry mix and continue whisking for a few more seconds until there is no dry flour. Don't overmix, else the pancakes won't rise. Keep aside undisturbed for 5 minutes for the batter to thicken up. After 5 minutes, the batter should be of this consistency. If yours is thin, then you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. If thick, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. We'll pour this on our pan using a ladle or an ice cream scoop. Brush the pan with some melted butter or oil. I'm using a usual pan as well as this amazing pan which I bought a few years back, which allows 4 pancakes to be made at the same time. Once the pan feels warm, pour the batter and let it cook for 2 minutes as it is on low-medium heat. No need to spread the batter. It will spread and rise on its own. After 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the heat, the top side of the pancakes will start looking dry like this, which means that it is the right time to toss them over. Let them cook for additional minute or so on a medium heat. Keep checking after a minute to see if the bottom side is done or not. If not, let it cook further. If the bottom looks like this, the pancake is done. Transfer it to the serving tray or plate. I love to eat these fluffy and super soft pancakes as it is, while my son loves these with either Nutella or maple syrup. If you like this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.